Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tiny Simply Gilded haul to share with you, so stay tuned. Okay, so this purchase actually came first and was ordered first. So I'm going to start with this and then we'll get into the May sub box. So let's open her up. This was just a super tiny haul or order that I placed at her last release. So let's see. Some of the freebies. I received this journaling card, which I feel like I have one that's similar. I have this little sticker seal, and then these boba tea not washies, but stickers. So I know one is missing. I actually had to use one this past week on Saturday because I finally tried boba for the first time. It's interesting and I think everyone should try it once. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try more flavors though. The one I got was pretty good. It was like a strawberry, like pink drink style one. But that was really good. So I used one that looked just like this and placed that in my life planner for memories. And yeah, those were the freebies from this order. And then I did purchase this spring market bundle. Or no, it wasn't the bundle. So the bundle came with a sticker kit and it was actually super reasonably priced. The reason I did not purchase it is because I felt like the kit looked just like the Cafe Fleur from January or February, one of the two of this year. And I just felt like it was just a little too similar for my taste and I didn't want to purchase it. So instead I picked up the passport washi, which includes the washi tape and this passport card. And this came in the bundle, I believe, or maybe I just got this because I purchased, I think this may have been a freebie and I just got lucky and got that freebie. And I did separately purchase this sticker sheet. I think it was like $2.50, but these are super cute and I wanted them, so I picked those up. And then I did pick up the second passport that she released. It is Holland. It is a really gorgeous little passport set. So as you know, I collect these and I couldn't pass up the opportunity to grab those. And then the last thing I did pick up in this order, I had my eye on this washi for a while. It's a little bit thicker, which I'm super excited for, and I think it was called like Summer Cottage or something like that. So I'm excited to swatch that out. So I think I might save the swatching till the end because I know I have some washies in the sub box to swatch. So I did not open this yet. I literally just cut this open to take a peek to make sure I had everything that I need, that was included inside. So I didn't like look at washi tapes or even look at the pen for that matter. So this is the journaling card for this month. The theme is Spring Goddess and the card says wild and free. It is a light gold foiling, which I love. I love all of this. Like, how could you not love the confetti? We're definitely gonna have to get like a really cute little thumbnail with everything. I just think it looks so cute and fun. But yeah, let's stop playing with the confetti. Here is the pen, which is super cute. It has some little flowers down here, and I actually wanted to compare this to one we got in a previous. Let me just find it over here. I think it was this one. Okay, so those are different florals. I don't know why I felt like they were like the same floral elements. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. So I definitely wanted to compare those. So they are different florals. And it's just this really pretty green ombre with light gold hardware. And then here is the washi tape box. I love how they're themed. I keep all of my boxes. So far I only have Cafe Fleur and Here Comes the Sun. I did skip out on the Dreamer box. The like celestial themes just really aren't my thing, so I did skip out on that. But this one is right up my alley with all of the like florals and woodland theme. I just think that's so pretty for spring and summer. So we can move this out of the way and take a look at this sticker kit. This actually, like this green print, reminded me so much of, and it's right here, the print she just released with the Earth Day, but this one's definitely more blue and this is more green. But when I seen it, it just reminded me of it. Okay. So here is the sticker kit. It's super delicate and cute. Here are the bow seals and the date dots. These are the full boxes. All good things are wild and free. And then here are some of the functional pieces and boxes, headers. Here are all the flags, some deco, and some little bows. And then here are the date covers with more boxes. I really need to, I might even use one next week because I don't have another kit lined up for this month. Because if you watched my plan with me, I did kind of have a little mishap, but I think I might try and use one of her new like layouts of her kits because I really am trying to, like, I'm really excited to try one out. I haven't tried one yet and she just includes so much. Okay, so here are the washies, and that is the last part. So I will show you the washies, and then we'll swatch everything out. So we'll push this off to the side. And let's see here. Here are all the washies. So this month you do get 2 of the super thin ones. And then you do get a set of micro dots. You have that like pretty floral chandelier and then like that forest floor print. So yeah, here are all the washies and now we can swatch everything. So I'm just gonna open them up. I have my swatch book here and then we can swatch everything and then we'll come back and look at everything all together. Okay, so we swatched everything. Here is the sub box washi. It looks so pretty and delicate. I love it. And then turning back to the passports page, here is that spring market, and then here is that Holland passport, and then look at this washi tape. This has got to be my new favorite. Like, I just think it is so gorgeous, and I love how thick it is. I do not have a washi tape that is this thick, that's like rolled, like on a roll. Like, this is so cute, and I hope she comes out with more. She had like a little suggestions box on things you'd like to see more of from her, and I definitely wrote down thicker washi because I think this is really great in a weekly spread in your planner. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.